Welcome to GRC Access Control Interview Questions. Question is, what do you know about MSMP workflow? Multi-step, multi-process workflow. What do you know about that? So this comes under Access Request Management ARM module of GRC, that is Governance Risk Compliance. There are 7 steps in MSMP workflow. Step first, global process setting, and second, maintain rule. Third is maintain agent. Fourth is notification and template. Fifth is maintain path. Sixth is maintain route mapping, and seventh is generate version. And before that you have to create the rule, that is initiator rule, and rule type flat, and that will be created by using transaction code BRF plus. Okay, so this is how MSMP workflow works in SAP GRC. Okay, and initially we have already covered what is the rule kind in GRC: initiator rule, agent rule, and routing rule. What is initiator rule? Which initiate the request. Agent rule, which provide the correct path, and routing rule, route to the correct approval. And there are 7 steps in MSMP workflow: global process setting, then maintain rule. There you can maintain initiator rule, and then agent, maintain agent, and then a notification, and that is maintained by SC61, and then maintain path, and then maintain route mapping, and rule will be created, rule ID will be created in BRF plus. There you will be creating your under expression under decision table. Okay, so hope it will help. Thank you.